Why you should eat bananas with black spots on them. Bananas are tropical fruits that are widely consumed due to their wonderful taste. The banana tree can grow 10 to 26 feet and belongs to the Musaceae family of plants. They abound with the following nutrients: vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, copper, potassium, biotin, fiber, iron, magnesium, zinc, and many others. Bananas' healthy benefits. In addition, due to their nutrients, bananas are beneficial for many health issues, such as 1. Vision. The vitamin A found in bananas is very important for keeping your eyes protected, maintaining healthy vision, and improving night vision. 2. Digestion and weight loss. The fibers in bananas keep you full longer, therefore you will eat less and won't crave for food so often. Also, vitamin B6 protects from diabetes type 2 and stimulates weight loss. 3. Bones. Bananas abound with fructooligosaccharides, which are carbohydrates that improve the body's ability to absorb calcium, which is of great importance for bone health and condition. 4. Improve heart health. Potassium found in bananas helps electricity flowing throughout the body, which is needed to maintain heart beating, and thus bananas can improve heart health. 5. Treat depression. The body converts tryptophan, found in bananas, to serotonin, which is a mood-elevating brain neurotransmitter responsible for being in a good mood. 6. Cancer. Bananas may be helpful in preventing kidney cancer because of their high levels of antioxidant phenolic compounds, which fight against cancer cells. 7. Immunity. Lentinin, which is another ingredient of bananas, stimulates and boosts immunity. 1 or 2 bananas a day are enough to improve immunity. Why choose ripe bananas? All types of bananas provide health benefits to your body. However, there is one type that surpasses all the other ripe bananas. These bananas are healthier than the ones with green peel or the ones without black spots and patches. The more dark spots or patches the banana has, the riper it is. Ripe bananas produce tumor necrosis factor (TNF), which is a cytokine produced by certain cells of the immune system with the ability to fight against abnormal cancer cells and increase the number of white blood cells. TNF in bananas improves immunity and thus fight against cancer cells. Furthermore, the content of bananas changes as they ripen. The level of antioxidants increases as the banana becomes yellow. Then, when the banana becomes completely ripe with dark spots and patches, the starch changes to simple sugars that are easier to digest. Also, the riper the banana is, the more TNF is produced. So, as a conclusion, next time you buy bananas, pay attention to their color and always choose ripe bananas because they can act as an anti-cancer agent by increasing white blood cell production in the human cell line and prevent cell mutation. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.